FSD Beta is rapidly improving, as the programmers, and AI, assist with continued development. With driver supervision, vehicles are already able to self-drive for extended periods, with zero disengagement. The issues you see highlighted here are in no way indicative of the system's overall capabilities.
Perfect. Then we're gonna make a left turn here. So a human driver might already want to go on the left lane, but we're safe here, and that's fine by me. So here's the green light. I'm gonna move over one lane. Let's see if that has a blinker on. Oh, okay. It's hesitating. It doesn't know where to go, so I'm gonna take over here. It wants to go straight. There's no need to do that. We are going to reposition the car. I do not want to engage FSD at this point here, just because it can be very confusing for the system to know if it's our turn or not.
Okay, so it's handling this left-hand turn unprotected. Lots of cars coming. Lots and lots of cars coming. So, and a biker up here too, along with, so it may just end up staying through this light again. So it's red. I guess we're gonna wait. Hopefully we can make it through this next light. So I had to actually disengage there because it was, I think it thought we need to go. So all right, now we can go.
So it wants us to take a left here.
Another Model 3.
Wait, where?
In the parking lot.
Oh yeah, my God, went right across there. They're everywhere in Asheville now. This is, I don't even know what's happening myself. Is it?
It's trying to go around that car.
Okay, that was a disengagement. That was. Did we even have a disengagement on the last one?
So, right there, it wanted to go around the biker, which is acceptable, but it tried to do it at the top of a blind hill. If there was a car coming around that blind hill, we may have been clipped, you know, who knows what would happen when we crossed the yellow line, so I was not happy with that. It's acceptable for it to go around the biker, obviously, but hopefully in future iterations they can program it to...
I think a part of the thing about training the computer is that we have to tell it when it should be getting over. Like, it needs to learn from our decisions when it should be getting over for a certain routing. And then eventually it'll just know. It'll be like, as if you were training your son or daughter to drive, you would tell them not to do that. That was a disengagement. You would tell them, get in the middle lane, we have to take a left soon, so you don't have to do it last minute. And so, same thing, you would train a kid, we're going to train the car the same way. So, obviously that was a disengagement. What's he? He's been trying to get around the bus. Apparently it hates Asheville buses. Alright, the next turn. Next turn. Again, even I have trouble reading the map sometimes. It's not going to make this. Oh, well, then again, I'm being safe. Okay. I'm being extra cautious. It did get too close to that car, for sure. That person definitely looked at me weird. No, oh, no, would it?
It should, but it might not.
I'm sure it would. It used to have spatial. What's going to happen eventually is the car's going to have spatial awareness. So if you look at something and close your eyes, you can still see the path.
Stop. Yeah.
Okay, so disengagement there. When you close your
Almost went on the curb.
yeah, that was real close. I think this is where we started. So this is where we're going to end this video. Clearly, I think it did do better than 9.0. Okay. Sorry.
Oh, cool. It's dealing with flashing yellow lights, just being cautious, and then it's slowing down for the crosswalk. There's no one there, but really, really cool.
So this intersection is a bit of an edge case. We have the right of way. There is no stop sign. It should just make the left without stopping. The other two directions have to stop for us. It always comes to a stop. Let's see how it does. I've got no one behind me, so I'm going to let this play out because I'm curious. Usually I just use the accelerator to keep going. Yeah, see, it thinks it has to stop. We just keep going. I'm having to tap the accelerator gently here. It's having some path prediction problems, but it made it. Send that one in.
It's a solid red light at the moment. This is that use case where in the past with that green arrow it had run the light. Okay, it stopped short again. The stop line is up here and it definitely stopped well short of that.
See how it takes this left turn without anyone in front of me. It's probably going to signal, which isn't necessary, because the road just continues. Oh, it's coming to a stop. Okay, it shouldn't do that. This is a continuous flowing road here. Just going to send that one in.
She's being a part of history in some ways. Okay. All right, so, all right. Okay, so it definitely made that error. Okay, went all the way in the left lane. So it was interesting. I'll say on 9.1 that was not an issue. It was able to figure that out. So I'm gonna send that in again. So this is in the wrong lane. Send that in, disengage.